Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nest step by step clearly. Start by gathering all the necessary components from the Nest package. Ensure you have your Nest device, the mounting plate, screws, and the power adapter. Next, choose an appropriate location for your Nest device. Select a spot where it can easily detect motion and connect to Wi-Fi. If you are replacing an existing thermostat, turn off the power to your heating and cooling system at the breaker box. Remove the old thermostat carefully, noting the wires and their connections. Connect the wires from the wall to the corresponding terminals on your Nest device. Use the labels provided to ensure proper placement of each wire. Secure the wiring by pushing the wires back into the wall. Attach the mounting plate to the wall using the provided screws. Now, attach the Nest device to the mounting plate until it clicks into place. Turn the power back on at the breaker box. Once powered, the Nest device will light up and guide you through the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the device to your Wi-Fi network. You will need to enter your Wi-Fi password to establish the connection. After connecting to Wi-Fi, the device may prompt you to set up additional features. Configure your preferences for temperature control and scheduling. Finally, complete the setup by linking your Nest device to the Nest app on your smartphone. Follow the prompts in the app for a seamless connection. Your Nest device is now ready to be used. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.